Tata Investment Corporation Ltd extended their fall for the second straight session in Tuesday's trade. The stock slipped 4.07% to hit a day low of 3,139 rupees and 5 paise. At this price, the scrip has tanked 8.86% in just 2 days. Despite the mentioned fall, the counter has gained more than 28% in the past 1 month. Analysts largely attributed the recent dip in share price to profit booking. Osho Krishan, senior research analyst technical and derivatives at Angel One, said the stock has seen a stellar rally of nearly 40% in the last couple of trading weeks to clock new lifetime highs. The rally was backed by robust volumes. Post the vertical rally, the counter entered the overbought territory. Therefore, a possibility of cool-off profit booking should not be ruled out. On levels front, the psychological support of 3,000 rupees should act as immediate support, followed by 2,900 rupees. Till the mentioned levels are firmly withheld, we might witness a follow-up buying interest in the counter from a short to medium-term time frame. Market expert Ravi Singh said, the stock may continue its uptrend after profit booking. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator, and long-term MAS are suggesting a target of 3,500 rupees level in near term.